This video delves deep into the strategies, habits, and tools used by top-earning bloggers to scale their blogs and build sustainable, high-income ventures. It starts by addressing the fundamentals, selecting a niche that combines profitability with your personal expertise. Creating a solid branding strategy and understanding your target audience is crucial. The video dives into advanced content creation techniques to craft compelling SEO-optimized posts. Monetization is a major focus, with insights into building diverse income streams like affiliate marketing and selling digital products. You'll learn about offering premium memberships, hosting webinars, and the importance of building email lists. What sets this blueprint apart is its focus on scalability. Discover how to automate workflows and outsource tasks. Packed with actionable advice and real-world examples, this video is a must-watch for aspiring millionaire bloggers.